Howdy, my name is Keaton Doucet, and this is my biofuel video project, Unveiling the Power of Biofuels. During this video, I will go on an insightful journey into the world of biofuels. These aren't just alternatives to our traditional fossil fuels. These represent a beacon of hope for a sustainable and environmentally friendly future. Our exploration will take us through the very core of biofuel production and usage, shedding light on how we harness nature's power to fuel our lives. Biofuels come to us as a promise of renewal in an age where the shadow of climate change looms large. Derived from organic matter, these fuels are the culmination of nature processes where living organisms become the source of energy. They stand out in the energy landscape as a clean alternative with the potential to mitigate many of the environmental challenges posed by petroleum-based fuels. Imagine fields of corn swaying in the breeze, not just as a staple food, but as a future tank of gas. These plants, alongside others like sugarcane and algae, are meticulously cultivated using advanced agricultural practices. These serve as the foundational biomass for biofuel production. It is a cycle of growth, harvest, and transformation that ties together agriculture and the energy sectors in a sustainable embrace. The alchemy that turns plants into power lies at the heart of biofuel production. It starts with photosynthesis, the miraculous process where green plants convert sunlight into chemical energy. We then coax this stored energy into fuel through processes like anaerobic fermentation for ethanol or trans uh, transesterification for biodiesel. It's a blend of biology and chemistry, working to turn the sun's bounty into fuel. In the realm of energy, biofuels are like rising stars. Some, like ethanol, made from corn or sugar, have already found their way into our gas stations and in engines. Biodiesel is not far behind, gaining traction in various sectors, yet many biofuels are still on the cusp of commercial viability, evolving rapidly thanks to relentless research and innovation. The environmental narrative of biofuels is profoundly positive. By harnessing biofuels, we tap into a carbon neutral cycle. The plants absorb carbon dioxide as they grow, offsetting the emissions from their eventual combustion. It's a closed loop that could significantly shrink our carbon footprint, offering a cleaner, more sustainable path forward. Biofuels carry the potential for profound economic transformation. They promise energy independence from volatile global oil markets, the revalidations, the revalidations of rural economies, through new agricultural demands and the birth of a burgeoning industry ripe with jobs. However, the financial viability of biofuels still contends with the high production cost and global scale of established oil infrastructure. The public's embrace of biofuels is critical for their success. Governments and organizations worldwide are initiating campaigns to educate consumers about the benefits of biofuels, from reducing greenhouse gas emissions to supporting local farmers. These efforts aim to cultivate a market receptive to biofuels, underlining their role in driving sustainable development. Drawing from extensive data and research, my analysis recognizes biofuels as a pivotal element in the transition to a greener economy. Yet, this transition must be underpinned by advances in technology to enhance efficiency and lower cost. Strategic investments in these areas are crucial for biofuels to reach their full potential. Were financial constraints a non-issue, a plan of action for biofuels would involve significant investment in R&D for advanced biofuels, subsides to bridge the cost gap with fossil fuels, and the development of infrastructure to distribute and use biofuels widely. Such a plan would not only ensure environmental benefits, but also stimulate economic growth and energy security. To conclude, biofuels hold a key to unlocking a sustainable energy paradigm. With the right of with the right mix of policy, technology, and public engagement, they can play a certain role in our energy portfolio. The journey from crop to car, from lab to market, requires a collective effort, one that leads us to a future where clean energy is not a luxury, but a staple. These are my references for this video, and thanks and gig 'em.